Hello students, today I am going to explain exercise 4.1 10th sum. Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its side equal to 2 by 3 of the corresponding side of the triangle PQR. Scale factor 2 by 3. So, we want to construct a triangle similar to triangle PQR. Its side given 2 by 3. So, first we want to draw a rough diagram triangle PQR and mark P dash and R dash. In fair diagram, draw triangle PQR with any measurement. Then draw a ray QX with any measurement. This draw QX make acute angle with QR. Acute angle means it should be less than 90 degree. Now in question they given the scale factor 2 by 3. In 2 and 3, 3 is the greatest one. So we should draw 3 arcs on a QX. We should draw 3 arcs on QX with any measurement. First we can draw Q1, Q2, Q3. Let us write Q1, Q2, Q3. Now join Q3R. Join Q3 and R. Next, keep the compass on Q3 and draw one small arc. Keep the compass on Q3 and draw one small arc. Then in the same measurement, keep the compass at Q2 and make another arc. Now measure the distance of this arc. Measure the distance of this arc and keep the arc here and we can draw another arc. Join Q2 R dash. Q2 R dash is parallel to Q3R. Then next keep the compass at R and draw one arc. Next, with the same measurement, keep the compass at R dash and draw one arc. Now, measure the arc length. In same measurement, keep the compass here and draw one arc. Now, join RP dash. Join RP dash. Keep the scale properly and draw RP dash. It is parallel to RP. Now triangle P dash Q R dash is the required triangle, each of whose side is 2/3 of the corresponding side of triangle PQR. Construction you can write in your own words.